Bollywood beauty Deepika Padukone, who is known for her poise and her imitable sense of style, has now forayed into the world of fashion as a designer. The actress recently launched limited edition with Deepika Padukone in associated with the popular international clothing brand. The actress, who started her career as a model, feels that getting into designing was a natural progression for her, and she had developed her own sense of style over the years while working in the glamour industry. Deepika said that this was a new domain that she was exploring and she was having fun doing this.
So I think it was a natural progression, and somewhere along the line, after having done so many films and played so many different characters, and having dressed for so many events, over the years I've developed my own style. And I thought it would be nice. Every time I go into a store, I always looked at an outfit and said, oh, I wish it had a little bit of something, or I wish it had a little bit less of something. And you kind of imagine your own, a dress being a certain way. And I think that's how limited edition by Deepika Padukone came into being. And, I think Van Heusen was also looking for someone who stood for the same values. And that's sort of how it came about. So it's a new venture for me. It's something that I'm trying for the first time, and something that I'm most importantly just having fun doing.
Deepika claims that her line of clothing will be wearable, comfortable, and make the wearer feel like herself. The actress said that limited edition with Deepika Padukone was all about making women feel special, beautiful, and most importantly, feel like themselves.
Very, he's asking what kind of clothes they're going to be. It's going to be very, very wearable, very, very comfortable. And most importantly, I think when a girl wears limited edition, she has to feel like herself. I think very often we kind of get carried away by fashion and what is in style, and we lose our own identity and we lose our own personality. And limited edition is not about that. It's about making you feel special, feel beautiful, but at the same time feel like yourself, and you feel comfortable in the clothes that you wear. For me, that was, very, very important.
Wonder what actress Sonam Kapoor has to say about Deepika's fashion line, considering the fact that during a recent TV chat show, Sonam was heard saying that Deepika does not have her own sense of fashion and ends up copying others. This report was brought to you by NNIS.